If you're seeing this, you're an office worker who hates their job and wants something else, but you don't know what to do. You don't want to become an internet person. Franchises are terrifying. You have a family you need to keep care of, and you don't want to deliver pizza. So what can you do that has a low barrier to entry, gives you a proprietary marketing method, and allows you to actually help people who need help? It's senior placement consulting. That's what I do. And what you're doing is you're helping out families when mom and dad can't stay at home anymore, when dad's wander, mom isn't paying the bills, the kids are all terrified, and oh no, what are we going to do? I did this for 10 years in Las Vegas, and I did it without ever doing hands on care with no medical background. And my background is in finance. I have an MBA. I'm the least medical person you'll ever meet. And yet I was able to do this all day, every day, because what I would do is I would listen more than I would talk. I would figure out what was important, what the budget was, and start making a plan. That sound familiar with your corporate job these days? Yeah, it does. The baby boomers are aging out. They need a gigantic amount of health. This is the biggest wealth transfer in human history. So if you'd like to find something that you can do that isn't your corporate job, where you're actually helping people, where again, you have the proprietary marketing method that it took me 10 years to go ahead and make for you, then go ahead and check out the channel and see about getting yourself free.